Here's how to replant your EarthBox. Start by cutting down and removing any dead plants and the remaining root ball. Pull off the old mulch cover and discard it in the trash. Locate the residual fertilizer strip and scoop it out. Loosen the old growing medium. Make sure the growing medium is moistened throughout and the wicking chambers are packed down to ensure proper absorption of water. Grab your new replant kit. Add 1 pound of dolomite to the growing media and mix throughout. Create a 2-inch deep trough for fertilizer placement. Place 1 pound of fertilizer in trough. Add peat-based growing media on top of the fertilizer strip, overfilling the box. Place mulch cover on top of EarthBox. Cut holes in mulch cover for plants. Plant seedlings and water around the base of each plant. Fill with approximately 3 gallons of water through the water fill tube. The reservoir is full once water flows from the overflow drain. Harvest and enjoy.